Here's a quick way to run a search to find properties that are planning an expansion or renovation. You're on the Property and Proximity tab. Expansion or renovation goes to 1,091 out of the 8,971. You could add additional criteria if you wanted to. Geography, type of center, year opened, classification, and so forth. Or you can just go with this. You can list the results. Here's a breakdown of all those centers that are planning a renovation or an expansion. Go into one of them, take a look at the results here, and we see that, yes, they're expecting one 2024, they have one planned. And that's it, pretty easy. You can also go ahead and export these results. So if you wanted to go ahead and get a list of them, you can then determine which fields or which contacts you need to go after. So you can reach out to them if you are a company that gets involved in expanding or renovating properties, or are a service or supplier that would be affected by a renovation at a property, such as roofing, parking lots, signage, cleaning services, many other things. And then you can just export once you decide which fields you need. That's it.